Yes, sir, Mr. Peebles. Don't worry about a thing. Right, Mr. Peebles? But first, I'll have a bit of lunch, too. Dog food, cat food, but no gorilla food. How about that? I don't get bought soon. I'm going to develop a real guilt complex. I'm rejected by society. You are a very astute observer of gorilla nature, little girl. Shall do, sir. Look at this. Rule 69772. Regular bathing of animals is mandatory. I'll just go wash up right away. After all, a clean Magilla is a happy Magilla. And while I'm out, I'll take a look around. Hello there, sir. Nothing like an after-show snack. Merely observing Rule 495 in the book, sir. An animal's normal eating habits shall not be disturbed.
Will you take 50? Okay, $100. Good, Magilla's yours. He's really gone. No more Magilla. Oh, joy. That Magilla is the untidiest gorilla I've ever seen. Magilla, watch where you're throwing those banana skins. Ooh, that Magilla. The cost of bananas goes up, 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 while the price of gorilla goes down, down, down. Oh, if only someday somebody would come along and say, sold. Magilla, guess what, Magilla? Oh, no, you've been sold. Magilla gorilla. He's healthy and strong. Show him your muscle, Magilla. For his brain? Oh, yeah. That's a good one. My, what a beautiful morning. Maybe today's the day I sell Magilla. Amazing, though, how few people really want a gorilla. Oh, no! Magilla, get rid of these bananas right away!